Hey everyone, welcome back to All the Coupon. Today, we're diving into Bluehost, one of the top web hosting services. We'll cover its key features, pricing, and how to get the best deal right now. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for exclusive discounts on Bluehost that you won't find on their website. Bluehost is known for reliability, strong performance, and excellent customer service. It's even recommended by WordPress.org for WordPress hosting. Their basic plan is a great starting point at just $1.99 a month, including a free domain, perfect for those on a budget. Beyond hosting, Bluehost offers tools for small business owners, from marketing resources to an intuitive dashboard, plus outstanding customer service. To get started with Bluehost and claim your exclusive discount, click the link in the description. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to All the Coupon for more deals.